What are these devices here?
This is a water bottle. So this right here is this is a Flipper Zero with some custom modifications. And it does a lot. So this is just a proof of concept device, but when you start to add your own little additions onto it like this, let me enable, for example, Wi-Fi. I'm not gonna hack your Wi-Fi, but I'll give you a little example of what I could do. I'll just do something stupid, but. Okay, and then we'll do, I'm not going to shut your network down. Okay, so now if I can show you on my phone, or you could look at your phone, but you'll see that instead of me mirroring your network, I just created a bunch of fake networks. So all of these networks here, they probably appear to be legitimate, right?
Yeah.
But they're not. They're all powered by me. So as soon as you connect to any of those, I have your password, I have anything in between. So that's one thing. That's just Wi-Fi.
Oh man. Is this how people are stealing information?
This is one of many ways.
In an airport.
In an airport? Oh yeah, I mean airport, Starbucks. When you, it's called a man-in-the-middle attack. So if I'm on the same network as you, I can essentially control the traffic, as if I was the modem or router. So instead of when you type google.com, instead of your computer telling the router you want google.com, you're telling my computer you want google.com, and I'm giving you what I'm telling you google.com is. So it would be called a DNS attack. So,
is this what people are using in the airports when there's?
Not this specific device. This is just something that I concocted together. But the flipper you can buy. This thing on the top here is custom.
I guess what I'm asking is this the method they throw? So what is like Wi-Fi flight or GoGo?
GoGo in flight?
Yes, GoGo.
Oh, well, they're actually. I mean, you can hack anything, but GoGo in flight they have a pretty good segment on their network, so you're pretty safe with GoGo. There's a chance of getting hacked, but not the same as like a Starbucks or here. Like your network has to be segmented into chunks.
Okay.
And GoGo segments it pretty well.
Okay. I guess what I'm saying is, could you create a fake Wi-Fi network with that thing that says GoGo in flight 1?
Yeah,
people are like, oh, that must be it.
I mean, I can make any. They're called BSSIDs, SSIDs, the name of a network. You could do that with any name, but instead of that, what you do is you just scan the local area, and then I know all the networks names around here, and then I'll target all of them at the same time, so that way anyone in this complex or where we're at, anyone that connects to a network is going to think it's their network, and they're going to connect to me instead.
Holy shit.